Put this out like this, see? 2 parts. That's it. Put the cap on it now. This that's it. So that sealed it, so you could use it again in the future. And now it's just a matter of
mixing it.
Yeah. So it's a 5-mid set. So you mix the 2 parts so it's somewhat clear. And all mixed together like that. That's it. Now we just got to make sure I get it in. Just to lock this in without it getting all over the place, which is somewhat a little bit.
You got to fill that whole thing in there.
Well,
right?
not everything. Just to lock. Just to lock it in. You know, once it sets, it's going to lock that box right in. So, like for instance, we're going to do it up here in the corners. Let it here touch the stone and everything. Make sure you push it in. This will help the bottom as well, because it becomes like a rock.
Yeah. So would you want to tuck it in there too, or no?
In where?
Like inside the crack?
No. You just want to push it in a little bit because you want a bond. You know, you want to get to the stone and to the metal. And in our case here, we want to do it in all, probably the corners, because what's going to happen is it might. Once it bonds, it should take really well. That's what we're going to see once I finish it. And then make sure you don't get it on.
right on the stone.
You know, because it could stain certain stones.
Okay.
Now, obviously this is not enough, so I'm going to take a little bit more. Use another stick to do it with. You can take a picture of it. That's basically what you're going to have to do to set them. Epoxy right here. So I'll take a little bit more out. Hopefully your hole's not going to be as big, you know.
It's the same size, the same like gem box.
Don't mix it in the same spot. Okay. Yeah, no, but I don't know how big of a hole was cut.
They didn't make the hole yet.
Oh, they didn't. So make the hole a little tighter. Obviously,
No, they made it
way
too big.
too big.
Yeah, they made it too big.
Okay. Again, we'll mix it up. So it's clear. The more you mix it, the quicker it sets. So, and you got 5 minutes to work with it, so that's plenty of time.
Yeah.
They make quicker setting ones. Now what we'll do is we'll put it on top too, so we can get some key points to lock in. I'll clean the top off of the stone in a second.
You want a rag?
I don't know. We'll see. I think I do it with wood. I'm sure. I want to try to. Okay, key points. Make sure it touches everything.